Hello folks, this is Aditya from InspiredRise.com and today we are going to talk about the Xiaomi Redmi 9 Prime smartphone. So guys, let's talk about the Redmi 9 Prime in detail. This one is 9.1 millimeters thick. It does not feel that much handy at all, especially with the cover. It weighs 198 grams, has a plastic back and a plastic frame, 3.5mm jack, USB Type-C port, speaker grill at the bottom for the smartphone, and has a very nice water repellent coating type of finish at the back. If you are using a TPU cover on the device, it won't show any signs of significant damage even if you drop it. I have been using it for 3 months now, and at the back you see that there's the quad camera module. You also get power button and the volume rocker on the right hand side. There's the fingerprint sensor at the back along with the camera module, and it has a water drop notch style design. It does feel a little bit outdated right now. And there's the SIM tray slot on the left hand side. It has a dedicated micro SD card slot, and at the back the quad camera setup also comes with a single LED flash. The fingerprint sensor placement does take some time getting used to, but once you get used to it, it's normal. The display size is 6.53 inches. It's an IPS LCD Full HD Plus panel. The maximum brightness of 400 nits is not really that great, and it's definitely low for really sunny outdoor conditions. It comes with a Helio G80 12nm processor, 4GB of RAM, 64 or 128GB of eMMC 5.1 storage. The processor is powerful enough for a lot of tasks as well as a bit of casual gaming. If I talk about the software experience, it currently comes with MIUI 11 based on Android 10, but the truth is that we are going to receive the MIUI 12 update soon enough, and the performance for this device was pretty good. We were able to play PUBG on smooth and ultra settings on this smartphone, and overall gameplay experience was pretty satisfactory. It's not really as great as something like a G90T processor smartphone, but still good enough for your normal casual gaming. There are some issues here such as pre-bundled bloatware, app recommendations, but if you are savvy enough, you would be easily able to remove all of the bloatware applications using their own cleaner application. The camera on this one is a 13MP f2.2 primary sensor, and there's an 8MP f2.2 ultra-wide sensor. It's not really that great for low light. There is full HD video as well. There's a 5MP macro sensor as well. The images were good enough, but the low light performance wasn't that great. There is a Gcam port available for this smartphone, and the difference is definitely there. The video quality was meh at best. It wasn't that great, and low light video was particularly bad. The stabilization is okay at best. It's not that great. And if you're somebody who's going to shoot a lot of pictures or take a lot of videos, you would be disappointed because the camera does some good stuff, but only with the Gcam mod. If you're using the default application, it won't be that great. There's wireless FM radio here without even using earphones, and that's one of the major USPs for this smartphone. Talking about connectivity, it has VoLTE, VO Wi-Fi. There's no 4G plus or carrier aggregation. It supports dual band Wi-Fi. There's Bluetooth 5.0. There's support for AAC audio codec as well, and there's infrared, which allows you to use this device as a remote control, which is great and handy feature to have. It does support USB OTG. There's a 5020 mAh battery which easily lasts up to 1.5 days or 2 days with hours of content consumption and more. There's support for 18W fast charging, but I got best backups when I use my 1A charger. If you are a hardcore gamer, I would suggest you to pass this smartphone, but the fact that it's a budget smartphone does make things a little bit better for this one. Though it supports 18W fast charging, there's only a 10W charger inside the box. It takes 3 hours to charge this phone completely with the box charger. At a starting price of 9,999 rupees, the base 464GB variant does make some sense considering the fact that this phone does have a lot of features, but for 128GB version, it does not make that much sense. What I like is the ease of access in MIUI, and it does have some great shortcuts and stuff, but I'm going to personally hold on to this device till the MIUI 12 update comes in and the experience becomes better. So guys, this was it for this video. In case you like this one, don't forget to smash the thumbs up button and do subscribe to Inspired to Rise for more awesome tech videos like this one. And guys, no matter what you do, stay inspired to rise.